Namaste everyone. Welcome to Lessons with Lakshmi. Our topic of discussion today is homophones part 2. In the previous video session, you learned what are homophones and how to do a simple exercise. Today we'll be starting with our textbook and workbook exercises relating to homophones. If you don't have English textbook and workbook, don't worry. I'll be providing the complete exercises here for you to solve. Just have a pen and paper ready. Write correct exercise number, question number and then answer. In this video session, you will have only exercises. I'll be posting in my next video session the answers. Now let us start with our textbook exercise, page number 16. Here we have a blank along with two homophones in brackets. We have to find the meaning of both the words given in the brackets. So here I reserved 4 births in the train for my family. What is the first step here? Yes, we have to find the meanings of birth as well as birth. B-I-R-T-H, birth is a baby coming out of the body of the mother. That means mother giving birth to a baby. B-E-R-T-H is a fixed bunk on a train or a ship. Okay, now so here obviously we are talking about train birth. So B-E-R-T-H is the correct answer. This is the exercise you have in your textbook, children. Find the meanings of the words given in the brackets. Then decide what is the appropriate word for the blank. Let us move on to our next exercise, that is from English workbook from chapter relationships, and this is our first exercise in our workbook, page number 7. As usual, what we have to do is we have to find the meanings of homophones given in the brackets. In this case, Ranbir decided not to accept his friend's suggestion which required him to stay out all night. That means Ranbir decided not to accept, say yes to. So let us find the meanings of the words first. Accept is saying yes to or giving consent. Okay, accept, E-X-C-E-P-T, accept is not including, that is excluding. Okay, so here Ranbir is saying no to his friend's suggestion. No means not saying yes to. Obviously the answer is A-C-C-E-P-T is the correct answer. So I hope this is clear. Please find out the meanings and fill in the blanks. And then this is our next exercise. Here we have 2 blanks. Okay, both the homophones we have to fit in the appropriate blanks. If you look at the word here, H-E-A-R, here, it has ear, E-A-R, ear. Ear is something we listen through. That means we listen through our ears. So here is listen to. Let us find the meanings. Here is listen to or pay attention to. H-E-R-E here is at this place or position. So can you hear? What do we do? Can you hear means can you listen to what I am saying standing here at this place? Obviously the answer is can you hear, H-E-A-R, what I say standing here from this place. Same way you have to find the meanings and fill in the appropriate blanks. So thank you for joining me today. I hope it is clear and I hope by the time I upload my next video you will have solved all the questions and the answers are all correct. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.